Every day, millions of Indians wake up with a dream of financial security, a dream of their children's education, and a dream of a comfortable retirement. Yet, in today's complex market, these dreams often feel just out of reach. But what if I told you that some of India's most successful families have discovered a path, a strategy so thoughtfully crafted, it feels like having a financial lighthouse in stormy markets? Imagine sitting across from your portfolio manager and sharing your concerns about market volatility, your children's future, and your retirement plans. Now imagine hearing these words. We don't just manage money, we protect dreams. Hi everyone and welcome to Central Shala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Stallion Asset Core Fund. Stallion Asset Core Fund was launched on 22nd October 2018. This fund has proven its strength, delivering an impressive 34% return since inception, comfortably outperforming the S&P BSE TRI by over 14%. Think of fund strategy like building your dream home. You need both a strong foundation and a room to grow. That's exactly how funds designed dual approach. First, imagine the companies you trust every day, the brands your parents used. These are the proven monopolies making up to 40 to 60% of the fund. When you buy their products without thinking twice, that's called market leadership. When you trust them with your family needs, that's what it calls a sustainable business. Remember how your parents always said, choose your friends wisely. They apply the same wisdom to choosing companies. They look for management teams who treat your money like their own family wealth. But what about tomorrow's story? Just as a dream of your children's bright future, they seek out tomorrow's leader with emerging monopolies that also comprises 40 to 60% of the fund. These are the companies building the India your children will inherit. Now let's talk about their extraordinary results. A staggering 91.60% return in just 1 year, an astounding 32.85% annualized returns over 3 years, and a magnificent 36.99% returns over 5 years. Now let's talk about the risk management part. This fund prioritizes stability. The trend of portfolio is designed to limit corrections to 25% and typically rebounds to all-time highs within 3 to 6 months if the trend remains strong. Given a choice, it always prefers low-risk, steady returns over high-risk gains, ensuring consistent growth for clients with minimized risk. Right now, Stallion Asset stands for a ready future with strategic positions in consumer discretionary, a commanding 44.4%, financial services, a powerful 18.7%, industrials, a strategic 7.6%. Their portfolio strikes like a perfectly balanced weapon with 36.8% in large cap giants, 19.9% in mid cap warriors, 35.7% in small cap revolutionaries, and a tactical 7.6% in cash, ready to strike when the opportunity presents itself. Now let's talk about the fund manager, Mr. Amit Jaswani, who is CFA and CMT certified. He is one of India's most trusted investment minds. Through Stallion Asset, he assures every family that your money will be managed with wisdom and care. Under his leadership, Stallion Asset has grown from a modest research firm to managing over 3,200 crores for more than 2,200 clients. In a world where many claim expertise but only few deliver excellence, Stallion Asset stands as a beacon of both strategy and execution. It is a perfect symphony of method and mastery, of vision and vigilance. Well, this was all about Stallion Asset Core Fund. We hope you like this video. Thank you.